Hello, my name is Jimmy and welcome to another episode of Can It Family. We're going to check out if an infancy, the Clek Liing, as well as a convertible, the Clek Fllo, fits inside this, the 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe. So let's take a look. And welcome to the backseat of the GLE Coupe or Coupe. So as you can see, I have the Clek Liing, or at least the base of it, installed on the driver's side, and I got the Fllo installed here on the passenger side. I didn't choose a Foonf just because of the color combination, but it certainly does fit the Foonf as well. In terms of lower anchors, there's two sets. One on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. Both are really easy to get access to. They're just right behind these plastic covers. The only thing is, these plastic covers are quite easy to lose, so do stash them somewhere that you know you're not going to lose them, because that may become a problem in the future. In terms of upper anchors, there's three, and you can find them just behind the seats themselves. To fit the Fllo in here, I did have to move the seat on the GLE a little bit forward, but as you can see, I'm still very comfortable in here. Me at 5'11", definitely no problems at all. In any case, let me show you how to put the Liing inside the vehicle just to show you the overall dimensions. Putting the Liing inside the vehicle, while it is a coupe or coupe roofline, there's still enough room for you to slide that seat in, so it's not too much of a problem, but something that might be a slight compromise is just the amount of room within the trunk space. So let me show you that. Because of the coupe profile, there's a little bit less space in here than the regular GLE, but you can kind of move this tonneau cover back and you have access to everything that you have inside. As you can see, I have my baby Zanyoyo just off to the side here, and there's plenty of space. So even if you have a full-size stroller, you really shouldn't have any problems in here. And that's how my baby Zanyoyo, Clek Liing, as well as Clek Fllo fits inside this, the 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe, or Coupe. Even with the sloping roofline, I definitely can fit car seats in here. Not a problem at all. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.